Did you know some of the coolest car mods people brag about online can actually land you in serious legal trouble? That's right. Your ride might look like a dream, but to the law, it could scream, "Impound me." In this video, we're revealing 11 car accessories that are completely illegal, even though they're sold everywhere. You'll be shocked at how many people are unknowingly breaking the law every single day. So, stick around until the end, because the last one might be sitting on your car right now. Number 11. Flashing police-style lights. Flashing police-style lights might look cool to some car owners, but they're strictly illegal for civilian use in most places. These lights are reserved for law enforcement and emergency vehicles only, as they signal authority and demand right-of-way. Using them on a personal vehicle can confuse other drivers, or even lead to dangerous road situations. Many states impose heavy fines or even impound vehicles for this offense. Some drivers try to use blue or red LED flashers for show, but those are also banned when driving on public roads. If you want custom lighting, stick to legal colors like white or amber to stay safe and compliant. Number 10. Tinted windows. Tinted windows might look stylish and offer privacy, but in many states, they're actually illegal if they exceed a certain darkness level. The main reason is safety. Overly dark tints prevent law enforcement and other drivers from seeing inside the vehicle. They can also reduce visibility at night, increasing the risk of accidents. While light tints are allowed for UV protection and glare reduction, excessively dark ones can result in hefty fines. Each state has its own rules about how much tint is legal, often measured by the visible light transmission (VLT) percentage. So before applying that sleek black tint, it's smart to check your local laws to avoid costly trouble. Number 9. License plate covers and sprays. License plate covers and sprays are often marketed as clever ways to avoid speed cameras or toll sensors, but they're actually illegal in many states. These devices distort or reflect light, making your plate unreadable to traffic enforcement cameras. While that might sound like an easy trick to dodge tickets, it's considered tampering with government-issued identification. Police can easily spot these covers, and fines can be even higher than a speeding ticket itself. Even clear-looking covers can cause glare under certain lighting, making them unlawful. The best move is to keep your license plate clean, visible, and legal. It's cheaper and keeps you out of serious trouble. Number 8. Nitrous oxides. Nitrous oxide systems, often called NOS, are popular among car enthusiasts for the massive horsepower boost they deliver, but they're illegal for street use in most areas. This gas increases oxygen in the engine, allowing more fuel to burn and generating explosive power. While it's thrilling for racing, it puts extreme stress on the engine and drivetrain, risking catastrophic failure. Most states ban nitrous systems on public roads due to safety and emission concerns. Even having a connected nitrous bottle in your car can get you fined or impounded. It's best reserved for track use, where its legal and safety rules are in place to handle its power. Number 7. Tinted headlights and tail lights. Tinted headlights and tail lights might make your car look fierce and mysterious, but they can easily get you into legal trouble. What many drivers don't realize is that those dark tints drastically cut down light output, making it harder for others to see your signals and for you to see the road ahead. Imagine driving through heavy rain or fog with dimmed lights. That stylish look suddenly becomes a safety nightmare. Police take this seriously because reduced visibility leads to countless rear-end and nighttime accidents every year. Even a light smoke tint can make your car fail. If you really want that custom edge, go for DOT-approved tinted housings that keep your car both sharp-looking and street-legal. Number 6. Blue headlights. Blue headlights might look futuristic and high-end, but they're actually illegal in most states for non-emergency vehicles. These lights are often mistaken for police or emergency signals, which can confuse other drivers and cause dangerous reactions on the road. Besides that, many blue bulbs don't meet federal brightness or color standards, leading to glare that blinds oncoming traffic. Some aftermarket sellers advertise them as HID-style upgrades, but using unapproved bulbs can get you fined or even fail a vehicle inspection. True HID or LED systems approved by the manufacturer emit a white or slightly bluish tint, not pure blue. So, if you want that premium look, stick to certified headlights that meet legal safety standards. Number 5. Loud exhaust modifications. Loud exhaust modifications might turn heads, but they can also get you pulled over fast. Many car enthusiasts install straight pipes or muffler deletes to get that roaring sound, but most states have strict noise laws that limit how loud your exhaust can be. Excessive noise not only disturbs neighborhoods, but can also distract other drivers and cause hearing damage over time. Police often use decibel meters to test exhaust volume, and if your car exceeds the legal limit, you could face hefty fines or even be ordered to remove the modification. Some aftermarket exhausts are labeled for off-road use only, meaning they're not street legal. If you want a sportier tone without breaking the law, choose a performance exhaust approved for road use that balances sound and compliance. Number 4. Studded tires. Studded tires are designed to grip icy roads like claws, making them great for extreme winter conditions. But they're illegal in many places due to the damage they cause. The small metal studs dig into pavement, tearing up asphalt and creating ruts that become dangerous for other drivers. In some states, they're only allowed during specific winter months, while others ban them completely on public roads. Using them outside the allowed season can lead to heavy fines and unnecessary wear on your suspension. Many modern winter tires now offer advanced rubber compounds that grip just as well without studs. So, unless you live in a region with constant ice, it's smarter and safer to go stud-free. Number 3. Radar and laser jammers. We all hate getting speeding tickets, but using a radar or laser jammer is asking for major trouble. These devices block police speed guns, which counts as obstruction of justice in many places. While radar detectors might be legal in some states, jammers absolutely are not. If caught, you could face fines in the thousands or even have your car confiscated. The smarter move? Just stick to obeying the limit. No gadget is worth a court date. Number 2. Underglow and neon kits. There's nothing cooler than your car glowing like a spaceship cruising down the street, until you realize it's illegal. Some states ban all underflow lights, while others only restrict certain colors like red or blue. Those are reserved for emergency vehicles, and flashing versions can get you stopped immediately. Even if it looks harmless, it can distract other drivers at night. If you love the glow, keep it for car shows or private property, not public roads. Number 1. License plate flippers. License plate flippers might seem like a clever hack to hide from toll cameras or police, but they're illegal and carry heavy penalties in many places. These devices mechanically flip or obscure your plate on demand, which is treated as deliberate tampering with government identification. Law enforcement takes this seriously because it blocks identification in hit-and-run cases and other crimes, so getting caught can mean big fines, impoundment, or even arrest. If you want privacy or to avoid fines, the only safe option is to follow the law. Keep your plate visible and contest any ticket through the proper legal channels. So there you have it. 11 car accessories that can turn your dream setup into a legal nightmare. Some might look cool or feel harmless, but one traffic stop could cost you way more than the part itself. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips that keep your ride fast, clean, and legal.